Ever want to post about the Iran and Israeli conflict in Facebook because I never want to post that thing. For me, usually I was told by J. Silva when we discussed that in TikTok live, we have to be neutral. Because I told to Ate Nenet, I never post about Iran and Israel conflict in Facebook because I would get in trouble. My mom will get angry. I said, "Oh, I will never post about uh, Iran and Israel conflict about Benjamin Netanyahu, about Mojtaba Khamenei, that was the son of Ali Khamenei, the late supreme leader." For me, we have to be neutral. Neutral anyway. India is always to be neutral. They're not picking sides with Iran or Israel, even US. We have to be neutral. Japan is neutral too. Germany neutral. But Philippines, we always to be neutral. Oh, we always to be neutral because I know Russia and China had supported Iran, US, and other countries have supported Israel, including Czech Republic, even Spain to support Israel. Even Cuba and Venezuela, they support Iran. So, as we are saying for all Filipinos, if there's a war with China in the Philippines, like I was told by Luis Cabales about West Philippine Sea, well, we have to be neutral. We have to be neutral anyway. And here's one thing for Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. I just say again, I am warning to you. Do not imagine there's a US troops in the Philippines. Rodrigo Duterte doesn't like US troops. Oh, and you're supporting Israel, even Benjamin Netanyahu to kill Palestinians, even Iranians. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Here's my suggestion to you. I know you're the one who argue with J. Rick Silva, you and Juan Carlo Pabade. Mark Cruz. Enough about posting about, for example, you saying about Eliza De La Cruz, you tag her Hezbollah and Hamas, and you're pretending there's a gunfire. That's why Mark Cruz, I say again, I told ya, there was Ron Eric Miranda in the group chat. What I said before in Tagalog words, paluin kita, Mark Cruz. Oh, Mark Cruz, um, stop labeling Eliza De La Cruz as Hamas and Hezbollah. Mark Cruz, you train in Israeli Defense Forces, Mark Cruz. Oh, me, I train in Hezbollah. I train to Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. Oh, when I fight against Israel in in the Golan Heights, in the near border of Syria. Oh, that was the time of Bashar al-Assad. And during about the Lebanon War in 2023, during the time of the war between Israel and Hezbollah. Oh, Mark Cruz, stop being yourself to be foolish and do not say bad words. For you, Mark Cruz, as we are good friends each other, you must limit your bad words. Even your American profanity words. When you see in the news, when you idolize Israel, when you idolize United States, like Carl V. Lewis, you say about America F word, yeah, you know that. I do not say F-U-C-K. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, you need to learn your lesson. And don't call me the word asshole. It's really a bad words. If you say a bad words at me, you will say swearing words. Mark Cruz, if I were you, limit your own bad words. You know, Paula Colin Nunez says to me, it's not really nice. Oh, it's not really nice. What if you say a bad words to your parents or even your friends who saying you a bad words? Even you're making an enemies with JD Sagala and Eliza De La Cruz. They didn't do anything to you. You know, you should be learn your lesson, Mark Cruz. Or else you will be a huge trouble. You will be like Paulo Cruzada. Just remember, Mark Domingo Cruz. Enough about your saying your dirty language. You're Christian and you saying a bad words. You know, me as I'm a Jewish, as a Judaism, as a Christianity, I never supposed to say a bad words. As I'm a Jewish, I never say bad words. As I'm a Judaism, I never say bad words. You know that? Mark Domingo Cruz, even in Shia Islam, we never say bad words. I was told by J. Rick Silva, oh, even Kawali Coronel in Sunni Islam, he never say bad words. Oh, that member of the Kawal ng Inclusion. Oh, you remember about the bad words. You know, Mark Cruz, when you criticize your own enemies, even Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that was the past that he made a scandal like Jim Paredes. Just do not bully them. And remember, just limit your bad words. You know, this is not very nice to say a bad words. If you say bad words, it will get you in trouble. Or limit your bad words.